What's going on, nuts? Welcome back to my channel again. Today we're going to be working on my wife's 2003 Chevy Tahoe. Let me tell you what, we're having blinker problems. I'll show you right now what's going on. So let's get to it. Okay, well, we're having just blinker issues, and let me show what I mean now. All right, we're in here. Let's see if we can do it without turning on the. Let me lower this here. Figure out. Nope. I think we have to turn the car on. So let's turn it on. Okay. Let me show you. Let's see if it does it. Probably won't because I'm in here videotaping. Of course not. It's not going to do it. Hold on. Let me see. Let me try it again. All right. There we go. It did it just. There you go. You see it? Do you hear that? And it just shuts off. So what I did, I ordered a new turn signal relay, and it goes right in here. So we're gonna have to take all this off to get to it here. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, I bought this little auto trim molding tool kit here at the man store, but we'll see. We'll use one of these tools and start taking off all the trim off this thing. So let's do it. Let's try both of these. It's kind of hard to videotape with one arm and use the other one. So if I can't do it, I will show you afterwards after I loosen it up. But I guess so. So I'll do it like that. Pull that back. And what I was told too in your videos is be careful. Just hold the brake when you turn it on. Just turn it. Don't turn it on completely. Just hold the brake. Put this like in neutral, I believe. All right, let me see. Let's go all the way down with it and see if we can take it out that way. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to use both my hands. I'll get back with you. Okay, as you can tell, now I put that back in. Just shut that off. So I went ahead and took that off. So now the next thing is to, I believe, I might have to take bolts off for this one. Yep, bolt there, another one back there. So let me get my tools ready and I'll show you. So what this requires is, I think I have an 832 bolt there, one right there, and the other one right there. So let's go ahead and take those two off right there. So let me put my phone down and I'll show you. Well, now I've taken all this off. There's like the two. You really had to yank on this thing to really get it off. So this is it right here, as you can tell. This is it. This is that relay. So what I did, I already loosened it already because this thing was like tight. So boom, there it is. This is it right here. GMC. So what I did, of course, I already opened it, and here it is. Let's get it out of the package here. Let's get it out of the package. You know, same thing. Just a different labeling. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed here. All right, now I got it out of the package. Let's see if we can get it in there. I believe that's in there pretty good. So now let's test it out. So you got the keys here. other side. Let's try to make sure I got the hazards working. Let's go check the back. Oh yeah. Let's wait a while, make sure they're both working. They're not failing on me. No, it looks good. Usually by now they would have just a little slow as a button, but now it seems like it's working great. All right, let's go ahead and put everything back together. Another bolt here. Okay. Now let's put the cover on. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Well, guys, that's how you put on a turn signal relay and hazard light relay on a 2003 Chevy Tahoe. So that's it took about 10 minutes. I think 10-15 minutes to do. It's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. But like I said, as always, don't be afraid just to get your hands dirty, man. Get in there, try it out. Go to YouTube, man. There's a lot of other guys on there who do the same thing I'm doing now. Whoever has the same year as me knows how to change out that turn signal relay and what issues they're saying happen with their 2003 Tahoe or 1 or 4, whatever the years in between that time. So as always, remember, do it yourself if you can. And as always, God bless. Nuts out.